Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Will you please introduce yourself?
I'm Robelinda Caetano. I live in Block 3, Lot 39, Compound 2, Sitio Cabatuan, General P. De Leon, Valenzuela City. I have one son. I'm married. I'm 31 years old.
Okay, what is your religion?
I'm born again Christian.
Tell me about your working experience.
I work as domestic helper to Mr. and Mrs. Rason since 2003 to 2010 for almost 7 years, madam.
What are your duties and responsibility as a domestic helper?
Madam, my duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper is to manage all the household chores, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care by baby.
Do you know how to taking care of a newly born baby?
Madam, I know how to take care of newborn baby and by feeding milk formula every 3 to 4 hours and wipe the baby every after feeding, change diaper, sends the baby to sleep by singing lullaby, giving vitamins, checks the body of temperature and cleaning dirty bottles.
Can you sing a simple children's song?
Yes, madam. I can sing simply children's song like 1 little 2 little 3 little Indian, 4 little 5 little 6 little Indian, 7 little 8 little 9 little Indians, 10 little Indians boys.
Okay, thank you. What will you do if your employer's baby crying for a long time?
I will check madam, I will check the diaper if it is wet, or I will check if it is hungry. But if it's still crying, then I will inform my employer that the baby is crying for a long time.
Are you willing to taking care of an elderly or an aged person?
Yes, madam. I'm willing to take care of an elderly person, even I'm bedridden, since I still have my grandparents, so I can take care an elderly like grandparents by helping them with their needs like taking their foods and medicines.
How would you handle a naughty children?
Madam, I will be friendly and playful with them so I could get their attention. I can take care of naughty children by playing with them, singing songs with them, teach and them ABCD, reading books, telling stories, teaching them how to read and write, teaching and good manners and right conduct, also giving love and care.
Do you know how to cook?
Madam, I know how to cook Filipino foods very well like tinola, adobo, sinigang, and many others. I also how to know cook the simply Chinese dishes like steamed fish, fried vegetables, fried chicken, fried rice, noodles, and soup, and I will also willing to learn more.
Can you operate electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to operate electric appliances like washing machine, vacuum cleaner, flour polisher, oven toaster, microwave, and others.
Most of the employees in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, ma'am. I'm very much interested to learn Cantonese so that I could fully understand them, especially to the elderly.
Your duties in Hong Kong will be doing all the household chores and at the same time taking care of the children. So how can you handle this situation?
Ma'am, I will make sure that the employer's children are in safe place by putting them into the crib or by giving them some toys to play them. I will continue doing my work.
Okay. If in case you found something like money inside the pocket while washing your employer's clothes or found jewelry while cleaning the house, what will you do?
Madam, I will give it back to my employer.
What if during your day off then your employer asks you not to take your day off because they have visitor? What will you do?
Madam, I will not take my day off and serve my employers together with their visitors.
How will you win the trust of your employer?
Madam, I can win my employer's trust to me by doing my best to to work hard and by being honest, dedicated to my work, and give importance to their things and properties, and I will entrusted my passport to my employer as my that the employer trusted to me their house, their children.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong? Why do you want?
Madam, I want to work in Hong Kong because of higher salary given to the domestic helper. In this way, I can help and support my family to provide their needs in materials and financial matters.
Would you like to say something to your prospective employer?
Sir, Madam, if you will give me an opportunity to work as your domestic helper, I promise that I will very hard to obedience and trustworthy, and I promise to finish my contract without causing any problem. Thank you and God bless you.